And today we're not smoking meat, we're smoking mac and cheese. First we're gonna get a stick of butter. And then we're gonna grab 4 tablespoons of flour. Now we're going to stir in 4 ounces of sour cream. And now we're going to add in 2 cups of milk. Next, I'll pour in a big block of cheese minus what I ate.
Okay, go.
Now we're gonna pour in this box of mac and cheese into the cheese sauce right over there with my dad. Now we're gonna put the macaroni in the smoker. Now we're gonna put it in the smoker for 225 degrees in 1 hour. That's good. And this is Lucas at Jurassic. This is an easy job for the kids and you. And meet us next time at Jurassic. We'll be smoking ribs.